Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete bank transactions in QuickBooks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, you might want to find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. And you are all set. Now, once you are here, deleting a bank transactions in QuickBooks should be done cautiously because it's not going to be easier to recover any deleted item here or transactions here in QuickBooks. Now, say for example, if a transaction is recorded with incorrect details such as the wrong amount, date, or account, deleting the transaction allows you to correct the mistake and ensure the accuracy of your financial data. Now, occasionally, in my situation, I reversed the errors and cancellations by deleting the original transaction that I made in the past, and I replace it with the corrected or reversed transaction because that will ensure your financial records are up to date and reflect the correct information. Now, for you to be able to do that, what you need to do is just go here at sales, because from here, these are the transactions that happen between you and your company or your client or your business and whatnot. And from here, you might want to need to go to the specific information first of the transaction, because transactions that are canceled or voided after being initially recorded may need to be deleted from QuickBooks to accurately reflect the cancellation or voiding the transaction and prevent double counting of funds. And from here, it's a straightforward process really. Just click on the transaction that you wanted to be deleted. And from here, all you have to do is click on the option here and click on delete. It's a very straightforward process. Click on it, but before you hit that delete section, make sure that if a transaction contains sensitive or personal information that should not be included in your QuickBook records, such as account numbers or confidential client, now you need to make sure that you have a backup of this, all right? But if it's okay, just click on the delete option. And voila, that's it. Now, the thing is, if you have any questions or you are having problem deleting a certain bank transactions in QuickBooks, what I suggest for you to do is go here and the QuickBooks support. And from here, you can select a product below that helps to customize your experiences from the QuickBooks Online Accountant, QuickBooks Online, which I am using right now. You also have the QuickBooks Desktop Accountant. And from here, you can choose the situation that you are experiencing, such as having a problem deleting a bank transaction in QuickBooks. And matter of fact, if you're not comfortable with that, you can also call the customer hotline from these numbers, 1-800-264-1981. And they are available from Mondays to Fridays, 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. here in these PST or Pacific Standard Time. And again, while there are valid reasons for deleting the bank transactions in QuickBooks, it's very important to exercise caution, ensure that you have appropriate backup procedures in place before deleting any transactions. Always double check the transaction details and consider the potential impact of your financial records before proceeding with a deletion. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.